back really bad.
Alright guys, so
For me, pizza ones always.
we're here at the Motorola Bando. We got Willy.
Hey guys.
Hello. How you doing?
Concrete Bones. So,
Look, I got my Kamala Harris battery.
what part of Jersey we in?
Oh yeah.
You saw that, Kev?
What part of Jersey we in?
Neptune, I think.
Neptune,
Is
yeah.
it?
Yeah, Nip.
Yeah, if you're ever in the area, check
Kamala
this spot
Harris
out.
battery.
It's
You
dope.
got the Kamala Harris battery.
My aunt threw that in the trash after
That one's a
Kamala
loser.
lost, so I took it out of the trash to use as a strap.
Okay.
It works though, it's good.
He's resourceful. He's resourceful. You gotta give
I
him
like
that,
those
bro.
bands they work good.
Yeah, bro. We went to this first bando and the spot was dope, right? So we're there, and mother tries to scare us off by throwing like bricks at us, right? So then we're like, we're gonna with him back. I think even someone threw one back at him.
I had to.
But
Oh my god.
everyone got uncomfortable, so we just bounced out of there because supposedly he might have had a weapon. But pretty wild, man. That
I was gonna
fucking.
fly it.
Yep.
I was gonna hit him.
But we got this new spot that I didn't really hit yet.
I know.
You've not been here, bro, so this is a good place for you to fly.
Mm-hmm.
And I didn't have
It's got
So-
lots of
That was
gaps.
also making me want to do it.
Gappables. Whole lot of
Got a light
gaps.
post you can perch on. I already
My
perched on it,
goggles
bro. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for your ass to get up there.
How many packs did you get so far?
I think I flew 2 here so far.
2?
Yeah.
And how much at the other place?
2.
2?
I only got 2 in.
So how
We spent 1 pack getting his quad back, and then like, yeah, dude. I don't even think Trippy Panda got 1 pack in.
Oh damn.
That's how crazy got. I thought we were fighting, bro. I thought it was on. You know what I mean? I thought it was time to save my life, defend myself.
Listen, this is the time when you have to put on that Team Maniacs cape.
Bro, I thought it was coming on, but you know, it's just like, yeah, I get it. It ain't worth it. So we bounced out of that. But in my mind, it was worth it at the time. I was down to clown.
Yeah, it's never worth it to throw your life away over some dumb that is going on out there.
Honestly, bro, I've been to so many, and that was the first time that I've ever had confrontation, and that was just like some Jersey. I'm telling you, this place, this it's just different, bro. It's different over
New
here.
York, New Jersey, man.
It's different. New York's cool. I've never had a problem with New York, man.
Yeah.
I've been to some crazy spots and met some people, and they're usually a little wild when they're living in but not like that wild. That was different. That was get the my hood kind of acting, you know. That was like
Turf war.
Listen, we could have called Prophet at the time.
Prophet will those dudes up.
Heck yeah.
He's got a machete, bro. Off with their heads. Whack! Like corn stalks.
Now because of that, you owe me a kick flip. You owe me a kick flip over on this board right in front of us, right here. Yo, try doing a slide on this board right in front of me.
Okay, I got it.
Telemetry, it's like your colors on, slam it off the ground. Yeah, let it sit there for a second.
Everything good with it?
Come on, baby. I just need the dun. Like it ain't smoked. Is it lighting up?
I don't think this one has lights on it.
Yeah, it does have a light right there. You can see it green. Come on, baby.
It's probably the It's probably the flight controller.
Yeah, it is.
If anything, Hold on. Unplug the quad real quick. Did you hit something like going forward or anything like that? Yeah.
I mean, this FC is taking a fucking beating.
It has to go
Me that.
briefcase, not in the way. If the briefcase comes out, shit
Did it
got
come
real.
loose?
And your shit's
Possibly. All right, let's see if I can do this right here.
I can just pull the top deck off and take a look too.
Damn, bro.
There's a gap between the camera.
Oh yeah, that's true.
back. Yeah, straight would be the way.
Yep.
Straight is the way.
All right.
Once Smags comes down from the moon, I'll try again.
Fucking wind might have took him up there, man.
That's what I'm
He
saying.
might be at the moon by now. It's crazy.
Please work. By the quad cav care.
Oh, he even gave it a massage.
He did.
It's
He
fucking-
gave it. He
it's
gave it
working.
the.
It's working. He gave it love, dude. That's all it needed. You just showing that abuse. It's like fuck you, concrete. I don't work.
Real. I mean, last time this quad missed.
All right. So we back on him over here. We got the whole stick cam and stuff. We got his stuff going on and everything. So we about to be over here, be ripping and everything. We got Oily over here. We got Concrete Bones. We got Smags up in the back. He already ripping and everything. He got that it's FPV air stuff. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Scraggle time. Almost hit this camera. That's not good if I hit that camera though. Oh shoot, look at that gold motor action. Yeah! Yeah! Show me something, man. Show me something, dude. Ow! Ah! 2 for 1, man. 2 for 1. Come on, Smags! Smags! Smash! Ah! A double one!
Whoa!
Yes, sir!
I mean, can we should do 2 and 2?
Oh, okay. I was gonna take that. I can't keep
We'll chase the cup.
Huh?
You can go with cup.
Alright, let's see what channel I'm on. I'm gonna switch to channel 1. Dun 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 dun.
Yay! Yay! Look, I don't want to be right by you. You're trying to kill me.
Who, me? I'm not gonna kill. Yo, do you see the red light on my quad? Yeah. Okay.
No, it's green. It's green.
Green?
Yeah, you need to fix that. Yeah, it's green for sure.
I won't cut your fingers off.
Now it's.
Everyone, check out those sick lobsters.
Looking like a Mortal Kombat character out here. Yeah, I'm coming. Hold on. Nah, that was a pilot error. What's up, man? What's up, dude? What's up? Come on your tail. Okay. Alright. Yeah, Pete. Uh-oh. Are you okay? Wait. You lost a prop. Yeah, he lost a prop. Yep. Oh. It was doing that little fat tech thing right there. Come on, man. Get up. Get up. Alright, go ahead. I'll follow you. I'll be your drone escort. So apparently on Drone National News today on TeamManiacs.com from FPTV, we got Willy over here. He's about to go. He's about to search and get his quad because he over here crashed on the roof and everything, and that's not good because he lost a prop. That's not good. We got to keep that quad still rolling. Is it an oh man? I think so. And I'm already at 19.5 volts, so I got to bring this thing back. Sponsored by FPTV. Yep.
I have a couple left, but not like a
I had to quickly like rearm, so I didn't have to like lose video or anything or drop any like milliseconds or anything like that. Because if I do that, then I would have to walk back and then get that quad, and I am not trying to do that. See, there's like a little rail right here, so I'm gonna go for that little grind, and I'm fighting against wind right now. What if I try doing like a slide down here? Because this wind here is devious. Sheesh. I don't know how I got such good video right now. 25. Did you even fly the HA0 quad yet, or no? There's like a little wire over here. Yo, Oily, peep this. Oh shit. Ah! We're at like 18 freaking volts. 16 volts.
Hey, Kev. That was pretty cool.
Thank you, my brother.
Honestly, this is a really cool spot.
Indeed, indeed, indeed it is.
But yeah, that first spot was pretty better, and that was just crazy how it worked out. I've never had that happen.
No.
The only time I've ever had even close to violence was this couple of kids at a band near me. And they were acting real sketchy, and I said something to them, and they were trying to like cock back.
Mm-hmm.
But I was just like, well, we'll see what happens.
Yeah, that stuff is never cool. Stuff is never, ever cool to do. I have to agree on that. Oh shit. Get the shit out of me on that. That's why it was when you hit your throttle stick by accident. Try to be cool like an airbender. I guess I'm not an airbender certified. I'm not really airbender certified or something yet. I need to get my tattoos or something. I don't know what I was trying to do, but like I was trying to do something. There's a whole lot of hanging shit around here. Oh my god, there's a whole lot of hanging shit around. Oh, whoa. I was touching. Oh shit! Wire! Wire! Bum 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 bum. Something's wobbling. Nah, something's wobbling. I hope it's not my capacitor. Okay, it's flyable. I didn't even realize I was that close. I was about a full send. Feels different, I bet.
Like doing weird stuff like that.
I flew regular. I like Squash X now. That's all I fly really, except for when I have to rig. Yeah. But I don't like. What you flew was a Squash X. I'm about to switch. I try to do shit. Can't do that, but I do it anyway. It's fun. But I mean, it's not how we have to do all the time. Oh. Maybe it's this. I think what he said. Maybe it's hitting. It was hitting that little bit of strap right there. Yeah. Something.
Christ, man, you're trying to fly a whale on top of your drone!
Got a bomb on
Clearly it's too heavy!
We're gonna need a bigger boat.
Clearly it's too heavy!
Clearly it's too heavy! Oh,
Shamu,
this one.
Free Willy, Take 3,
Scene 5. Cab, Oily. We got concrete, mag, all here, waiting for Willy.
Hold on, I'll take Willy. I'll take him off, and then you can fly.
You want me to keep ripping with him, or is he still?
We can put him back. But the strap came off, and it, oh fuck, you were chopping him up.
Oh. Yeah. As long as Willy is okay, then
Yeah,
that's...
he's alright, I think. I think the strap might have got cut a little, but to these actions, he's still good. I'm just gonna put it loose. Show the actions, he's still.
Oh, it's underneath.
You got to look underneath Willy's butt.
That whale booty.
Yeah. Alright, preload, take 5. That's pretty cool.
Didn't mean to do that. That was wind. Let's make sure that Willy the whale takes a look at this sunset right here. Willy the whale, isn't that view so beautiful? It is. My battery's dead. Well, that was a pretty good flight. I can't even talk right now. It's so cold out here. I was pretty whaling out there. That flight went pretty well.